Come test drive the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.